Hello, my name is Zilda Torres. We are immigrants here. My entire family and all my friends own and operate a service business of some sort. We all have started, managed, and prospered from our home services businesses. Between me, my sister, two brothers, and my parents, we make well over $1 million a year. I can show you how we did it. There is no cost or obligation. No credit card is required, and no salesman will ever call you to buy anything. First things first, without a customer or sales, nothing will happen. No amount of fancy software will get you any revenue unless you have a customer to serve you. For that, you need leads so you can convert them into revenue-paying clients. In this digital world, you need a website that tells them everything that you do, and it will have a form to place an order, better yet a chat box, so the clients can get their concerns resolved, if any. You should ideally be placed in a marketplace directory in your zip code, so the client who is searching for you finds you in the search engine. Next, you call them to book the order. Assign the task to the person who will go to the client on the date time for the assigned task and collect the money. Credit card and check payments are automatically deposited in the bank. Now here is my sales pitch. I have partnered with PnaPna, the software people who have built efficiency into this process that allows us all to do more leads and assignments within the same time and resources. Every detail of the business and the transaction is recorded and kept in cloud storage, so we can access it from any device and from any place. All we need is an internet connection and to ensure that our batteries are charged up in the phone we work from. We can book the assignment even while we are not in my office, because the orders come even while we are not working. There is nothing left to memory or napkins, etc. You know what I am saying? From leads to bank statements, from assignments to payroll, every detail is automated like clockwork. Give PnaPna a try. It has a 14 days free trial, no credit card is needed. It even has 60 days money-back guarantee. There is one payment for lifetime plans and pay-per-lead plans, so you pay nothing unless you have a lead. They will hold your hand from the start till you are proficient in this system and are making money. If you need another feature or industry PnaPna does not serve yet, let PnaPna people know, and they might create one. All features of the software are listed in the following content. There is an onboarding system or one-on-one learning process. PnaPna means to prosper in Sanskrit. We all have prospered. Enjoy your life, more PnaPna to you.